Shut up and sit down.
Hi, everybody. I'm Alexis, and this is Financial Phoenix. Welcome back. I do have two really good Dollar General deals for you today that I'm pretty excited to share with you. We've been off for a little bit last week, if you're a regular follower of ours, because we're working on our website, revamping it and getting it really nice and together. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. It's almost done, so look for an update on that very, very soon. And then honestly, it just hasn't felt right posting about couponing the last few days with all of the heartache and turmoil that's going on across the country. Our hearts hurt for those who are suffering and in need of help, and it's really hard to know what to do and how to be of best use during this time. I think the best way that I can be of use is providing something positive and hopeful, maybe fun to focus on as a brief distraction from everything. So that's what I'm going to continue to do. But I will link some resources in the description box below to different groups that are doing better work than I am to help fight, issues of racial injustice in this country. So I will link those down below. That said, we will continue on with the deals for this week. There are two different deals. They're really good. I'm excited to share them with you. You will need paper coupons as well as an Ibotta account in order to do these deals. The Ibotta app is free to download and will help you save bunches on stuff that you buy already anyway, so I highly recommend it. If you do decide to download the Ibotta app, I request that you use our link in the description box down below because it does give us a small amount back when you do that, so that would be really helpful to us. The coupons needed for both of these deals are entirely different, so if you have access to more than one account, you can do both deals. One last quick thing that I wanted to mention before we get into the deals is that Dollar General this week is doing buy one, get one free on all summer apparel. So if you want to stock up on some summer basics for your wardrobe, you can do that. I'm not going to try and add those into one of my deals because clothing is all different prices. But if you wanted to swap something out and add a piece of apparel, or two pieces, I suppose, into your deal for this week at Dollar General, you could absolutely do that. Just know that that's an option. Let's go ahead and get into the deals. We're going to start off by picking up this Icy Hot Lidocaine Cream. This is the 1.75 ounce that you're looking for. It's $5. We're going to use this $2 off coupon, paper coupon from the 531 Smart Source, and it's only good for 2 weeks, so get it in there while you can. It's $2 off, so already that's down to $3, which would be great. But then we also have this $2 Ibotta rebate back on this item, so making it, even if you didn't do a 5 off of 25 transaction, even if you just went in for this product alone, you'd be getting it for $1, which is a great deal. So go ahead and use that paper coupon and that Ibotta rebate for $2 off, making this item just $1. Next, you're going to want to pick up this is kind of an iffy item. I wanted to include this because it's a nice freebie if you can find it. You're looking for the Glade Plugins Scented Oil Warmer, but you're looking for the 1 count. Now, I can't find a picture of the 1 count on their website. I believe they were phasing the 1 count warmer out, so I don't know if you'll be able to find any in your store. If you can, there's this free paper coupon in the 531 Smart Source for like a 1 count of the oil warmer plug-in up to $2. So you could get that as a nice freebie. You could get this, so if you're not able to find that, I have an alternative item for you. But just in case you are able to find that, you could get that for free. You could also pick up this 2 count pack. This is $3.25 and you'd get up to $2 off essentially, so making it $1.25. So you would not have quite the same total at the end, but still pretty good. So those are both options for you guys. But if you can't find the 1 count to use that freebie coupon on, you can purchase the Gain dryer sheets for just $1. This is the 15 count. You'll find this in the $1 aisle, and you're going to use this digital coupon for $1 off, so $1 off a $1 item, making it $0. And you can see that this is for the liquid fabric enhancer, the Gain Fireworks, or the Gain Sheets. And it does not have a size requirement other than it says it excludes trial travel size. I don't know that this is considered one because it doesn't say trial or travel size on it. And I've used this coupon on this item many times and worked with no problem. So I would go ahead and do that. If you can't find the freebie, the other freebie for the Glade, this would be a freebie as well. And let's go on to the next item. Next, you'll want to pick up one of the packages of Centrum vitamins. You're looking for the 60 count tablets. This is $5. And you're going to use this $4 off paper coupon from the 531 Retail Me Not inserts. And this is for the 50 count or larger Centrum Multi Plus Probiotics, 30 count, and just excludes trial and travel sizes. So yeah, we've had issues with this coupon working in the past. I'm not sure why. It does say 50 count or larger, so you shouldn't have issues. But if you do, just know that you are purchasing the correct item when you're up there at the register. So spend $5, take $4 off, paying just $1. Next, pick up a 16 count package of the Tide Pods. These are $4.95. You're going to use the $2 off of one paper coupon from the 531 P&G insert. This is for the one Tide Pods 31 count or smaller. So this definitely counts. And you're going to use that, making that item just $2.95. Next, you're going to want to pick up one of the Bic razor packs. You're looking for this 10 pack of the Sensitive single blade disposable razors, 10 count. The single blade is really important. It's $2.85, and we're going to use this $2 off digital coupon on Bic disposable single blade, twin blade, or Bic Comfort 3 razors. So that is a $2.85 item. We're taking $2 off, so it's just 85 cents. Next, you're going to pick up 3 of the American Greetings cards. You want to make sure they're priced at least $1, so that would be $3 for all, and you have this $1.50 off digital coupon to apply to that, so that's just $1.50 toward your total. And maybe you've got a grad in your family who's getting ready to graduate. Maybe you've got, we've got Father's Day coming up, so all really good reasons to purchase some cards. And last but not least, you're going to want to pick up some of this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Smooth Leave-In Conditioner. It's $3, and we've got this $1 off Garnier Fructis Whole Blends and Skin Active product coupon that we can use. So that would make it just $2. I try not to include too many shampoo and conditioner deals because we get that so often as couponers that I feel like we all are just totally stocked up on shampoo and conditioner all the time. So I try to look for little ways to vary it. So this nice leave-in conditioner is something that we don't get as often. So you could pick that up, or you could definitely pick up, any of the other Garnier Fructis Whole Blends or Skin Active products, but this is the one that I would pick to go with this deal. Now, one thing to note before we finish up here is that if you were able to find one of the single count Glade warmers and use that freebie coupon, you don't need to purchase anything else. If you were not able to find that and you instead went with the Gain fabric softener, you're going to want to make sure you pick up another $1 item from somewhere in the dollar aisle just to make sure you hit that $25 threshold, and then we are ready to check out. Oh, I did forget to mention to clip your 5 off of 25 coupon digitally on your account, or make sure you have a paper coupon. If you don't know the order, you definitely need to check out our Basics of Couponing at Dollar General playlist down below in the description box. Doing your transaction in the appropriate order is of the utmost importance. That's how your total is going to turn out right. So your subtotal before tax on this first transaction should come to $25.95, so just right over that $25 threshold. And after all of your coupons and your 5 off of 25 come off, and you get your Ibotta rebate back for the lidocaine icy hot cream, your out-of-pocket cost should be just $5.45 for 9 items, or 60 cents per item, which cannot be beat, guys. That is insane. Okay, so for this second transaction, we're going to start by picking up the Johnson's Head to Toe Baby Wash and Shampoo. It is $4. We're going to use this $2 off of one coupon. The 531 Retail Me Not. And even if you don't have a baby, you know, I use this stuff with my kids. I mean, body wash is body wash, you know, so I like to stock up on it whenever we get this good $2 off coupon. So that would make that item just $2. Next, we're going to pick up the Oral-B Complete Icy Cool Mint Floss Picks. These are $2.25 for a 75 count bag. We're going to go ahead and use this $2 off Oral-B Glide Manual Floss Picks coupon. So that should count, and that item is just going to be 25 cents. Next, we're going to pick up one of the Purex bags. You want to make sure you're getting the pods, not the liquid, and you're going to pick that up for $3. We have a $1 off of one paper coupon from the 531 Retail Me Not insert that we're going to use on this, making it just $2. Next, we're going to pick up some of the Oral-B mouth rinse. And the one pictured here is for mouth sores, but there's like one for bad breath, and there's another one as well. I think there's 3 different kinds. So I'm curious to try this stuff. It's like a new product that's been out for a little bit, and I'll be interested to see what you guys think of it. But it's $5 for the bottle, so it's kind of expensive, but we have a $3 off paper coupon from the 531 P&G insert that we're going to use, making this item just $2. Next, pick up one of the CoverGirl eyeliners or the brow pencils. Those are $4 a piece for this little set. If you like the cream stick type eyeliner as well, or this is a pencil, I guess. This is $4.50. If you like this kind of version better and you want to pay 50 more cents, or if you want to pay $1 extra, there's the creamy type stick. You can go ahead and pick one of those up with a $3 off coupon from the 531 Smart Source, or I think there's a digital coupon as well. Okay, I'm really excited about this because I've started using this Dawn Platinum Power Wash dish spray. I love the little trigger and how the foam comes out onto your dishes, so I'm kind of excited to be able to refill it. We're going to go ahead. Hopefully you've picked up one of these with coupons in the past couple of weeks or months. If you guys liked it as much as I did, we have the chance to refill it today. So they are now offering these spray refills that go into the bottle with the trigger. So pick up one of those for $3.95. We're going to use this $1 off of one Dawn Platinum Power Wash product coupon. That is a digital coupon in your account, making that just $2.95, but we're going to lower that even further. Next, we're going to pick up one of these Schick Classic Women's Razors. You're looking for this 3-pack right here. That's $4.50. We're going to go ahead and use this $3 off Schick Disposable Razors coupon, making that just $1.50. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 digital or paper coupon ready to go, and let's go to checkout. So your subtotal before tax should come to $26.70. And after all your coupons and your 5 off of 25 come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost for this transaction of just $6.70 for 7 items, or 95 cents per item. And when you can get it cheaper than Dollar Tree, you're doing something right. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you found it helpful, please leave us a thumbs up to help support our channel. Hit the subscribe button and make sure to ding the bell to be notified when we have a new video coming out so that you don't miss a single deal. And keep on making money, saving money, and dreaming big. Bye.
Shut up and sit down.